Okay, Autophiles viewers, welcome back to the Honda Accord restoration project, where this is the time we will get it off the ground. I'm here with my friend Shanaz.
Hi.
Shanaz is from GA Detailing.
Not sure we are friends anymore.
No, probably. By the end of this, it'll be the end of the friendship.
Yes.
Yeah. Shanaz is from GA Detailing. GA Detailing is our partner in crime for the cleaning up episode of this restoration project. Now, why does cleaning up need an entire episode for itself? You will find out. Subhash will show you. Okay, we are in the middle of the road. Okay.
I'm scared to open. Is there going to be any animals that's going to come out? Oh god. How many years has it not moved? I love the gear knob. Must be Vishal's taste. How did the third brake light become that color? I'm sure it wasn't this color. I think it was that color. So I think I've got to try every single weapon in our chemical ammunition, man. That's right. You know what people say? Be careful what you ask for, right? Yeah. Since I've already said yes, challenge accepted.
Okay, these are the detailing boys.
I'm sorry guys, I didn't tell you guys about this car. Take a look.
Huge spot. Oh, yeah.
Interesting that the glue is all still intact, you know, it's not dropped, bro. How many thousand hands have touched the seat belt, bro?
Damn.
First thing we're going to do is we're going to take off the seats. Analyze the carpets, because I think that's where we're probably going to start. While doing the carpets, then maybe one of them can start doing the seats. And then later from the carpet, we move on to the door cards and the dashboard. I think the goal is now to make Vishal come over and take a look at the car and say, wow, the only thing that the car needs right now is a paint job. All I can say is he owes us big time, man. Big time.
Oh, Vishal. Good morning, friends. How bad is it?
Looking at your car, it's as if you led a completely different life, bro. I think you took care of your door seals very well, bro.
Okay, that's good. I mean, it's been covered.
Yeah, so I think that's the only thing that you took care of.
The rest of it is gone.
Was, you know.
So prior to the car being with me, it was at my mom's place. Super high humidity. That's why we've got an entire ecosystem of mold inside the car with the dash and everything.
And some new species of insects.
Yes, correct. So one thing that you are lucky to miss is under the bonnet, the insulation. I ripped it out because there was a family of ticos.
Wow.
Once upon a time. Okay, so where we are right now. We've cleaned the exterior one round. Not a deep clean, but just to get all the surface contaminants off. Clean the dust off. Use an iron remover to clean any iron particles off. These things come from brake dust, come from just driving. But it's a full exterior once over before we get into the interior. So we're not going to paint correction, we're not going to claying or polishing or any of that just yet. It was really just a one clean so that we've got the exterior presentable and you know you can handle it, touch it while you are getting into the interior, but we're moving into the interior now. So what these guys are about to do is they're going to remove the seats so that they can get at the carpet, get at the dashboard. There's a nice mold ecosystem growing on the inside and we need to take care of that. That's where we are.
Who wants money?
Got money? Oh, there's a lot lah.
20 cent, 2 rupiah.
This guy has been some places. This guy has been places that I wouldn't go back to with a gun.
Yeah, vacuum. Vacuum first. Yes, vacuum everything out first. Vacuum thoroughly, yeah?
What the hell is that? Is that in the car? I don't know. I don't know. Nice.
So what we do with all the cars that we detail, we will always start with the mildest chemical and solvents. And then if it doesn't come out, then we'll increase and increase and increase. Right, yeah. Some material, you do a one round, one layer, and then it comes out.
For now, we are leathering up. After this, we're gonna extract using vacuum cleaner. So basically, we're trying to get rid of whatever has been soaked up by the fabric up until now. We never underestimate this process because it can take at least 2-3 tries, depending on the condition of the fabric.
I'm trying to figure out whether I'm torturing you or giving you enjoyment. Potentially both.
Yes. You know, it's always that we hope that the outcome is so good, right?
Yeah.
That it's so satisfying, bro. But to get there, you gotta climb the mountain first.
Indeed.
Yeah.
This
And
car
this
hasn't
mountain
seen-
is very steep.
It's very steep and very high. Okay, so it is the end of day one here at GA Detail. I naively believed we really could take care of everything within the day. That was my mistake. Just like Transformers, there's more than meets the eye
Yeah.
with what we've been going through.
Yeah. Generally, what we have done today is to do the interior one layer
Okay.
to see what are we dealing with. After the first layer, I think we have managed to take out at least 50 or 60% of the dirt and the grime that was on the carpet. So maybe what we'll do tomorrow is we will do a second layer to take a look at whether we can take anything out after that or not. I would assume that maybe after the second, maybe third layer, we are able to see if we can bring out the best of the color as again lah.
The original color.
The original color.
Got it.
As close as possible to it lah. There may be some spots that we may not be able to take out, but generally the rest of it we are able to. I think we are probably at 40 to 50% right
Okay.
now.
Got it.
So we've got another 50% more to go, and that one will continue tomorrow.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. End of day one at GA Detail. The Accord project is well underway. The momentum has started. One of the things that I'm very grateful of today is that the car is maybe perhaps no longer the biohazard that it once was.
Yes.
When it got into your hand. So thanks so
Yeah.
much.
No worries,
Well,
man. No
pleasure.
worries.
Yeah.
Yeah. So also a pleasure at the same time. A bit of a stress to do up the car, but I think it's an experience that my boys need to go through as well.
For sure, for sure. Yes, I'm very glad that I could provide one of the worst things you've seen in a while.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks for that, man.
Awesome. GA Detail. Let's go. Yeah.
You don't shoot water
Into the wrong place.
Into the wrong place.
Okay,
I've
I'm
seen some
excited.
cars
Right.
15 years, 20 years old,
Right.
but I think they just don't go to your mechanics. Well, it's too clean. It's too clean. No, gotta leave a mark.
So you can see this on camera. If I bring my car back again, will you clean my car? You tell me get lost. Yes. Come on, go.